Hi guys, so today I'm going to do the Tsum Tsum mystery packs. Mystery stack pack, sorry. So, we can either get Minnie, Winnie the Pooh, Lucky, Cheshire Cat, tell me if I'm saying that right or wrong, Dumbo, Figaro, Marie, Sebastian, Dale, and Stitch. I want all of them except Sebastian because he doesn't even look like him. So the first one. Guess what we got? Or I got, sorry. So these are the ones that you could get. Like, see Sebastian. He doesn't even look like him. So guess who I got? I got Dumbo! Little Dumbo guy. Tail. He's got a little hat too. And he can go in here, which is awesome. It's pretty cool. Like this, all there. Little thing, and then we have this to go in here, like it's a camera thing. And I'm probably gonna waste the whole video just trying to, oh, got it. And these are my first two ever. Yay! And then we got Winnie the Pooh. And we also got this little hut thingy-bobber, honey. And then put the little top on. And it comes off pretty easily. And then on the back it says honey. You can either go like on the bottom, like this. Take all the trash. Sorry. You can go like on the bottom like that. Or he can go inside. Like that. So he can go inside, and Dumbo can, I'm not sure if he can go underneath. I'm going to try that. Oops. They're so cute though, yep. He can go underneath too. So they can be twinsies, holding their little health food on them. And let's see if they can stack on each other. Wait, this way they can. They're so cute. Little guy. I'm really hoping to get a lot more of these. I'm really hoping that I get Lucky or Dale or Stitch. Those are the ones I really, really want. So yeah. So now I have two. Awesome. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day.